Hey guys, what's going on? Hope everyone's having a great afternoon. I just want to tell you guys about my saving grace these days because I have a kitty cat and I have carpet and I'm constantly having to vacuum. So this is a Dyson vacuum. My mother-in-law actually got this for me for my bridal shower, and I didn't even register for a vacuum. She just told me, I'm getting you a Dyson vacuum because it's like kind of a costly item. It goes for around, I don't know, a couple $100, $400 maybe. And she said that it works the best, like the best of the best. And I definitely needed a good vacuum. So Dyson is the strongest suction of any vacuum. No other vacuum expels cleaner air. The suction tested against upright market to ASTM F558 at cleaner head. Dust loaded on per IEC 601312-1. So as you can see, I have been busy using this vacuum. Actually, it cleans really well because like I said, I have pet hair and stuff, and I'm like always having to vacuum just like because I have carpet. Carpet's really difficult to maintain sometimes. Like sometimes I just rather have wood floor because you could sweep it and then you could, just like, dust it, whatever. And I have the vacuum out because these like little things, I don't know what, pine needles, whatever. I have a fake Christmas tree, but they've been kind of like getting all over the house and it's really annoying. So I constantly have to have the vacuum out to like clean them up, especially since we took the tree out of the attic yesterday. So as you can see, I've got like this full of dust and cat hair and whatever else is in there. I use it a lot. It says the Dyson Ball. It's for multi-floor, so it's not just for carpet, but that's my main use because most of my house is carpet. So I don't even know if I ever did this actually, and I really should. Register your free 5-year warranty and get expert advice. www.dyson.com, and there's the phone number 866-277-4649. I can't believe I'm just noticing this now as I'm doing the video. I really have to get mine registered. I've had this vacuum for in January, it'll be 2 years, so I really have to like kind of step up my game and do that. The filter, super easy to take off and clean out. It just, you press this red button and it pops right out, and then you could just push this button down, make sure you're over a garbage, of course. The bottom will open up and whatever's in here will clean out. Sometimes you need to like either get a glove because whatever is in here could be gross, and sometimes you need to just kind of like pull it out or just like kind of bang it not too hard against the garbage just to like make sure everything is coming out. Oh my gosh, you could see these like pine needles are everywhere in my house. So of course this is on wheels, so it's like very simple to go back and forth with. So this is the hose that it comes with. So it has the arrow going up, so you just take this off here. Sorry, my house is a little messy because we were doing like, the Christmas tree and stuff last night, taking all the boxes down from the attic. So that's why I had the vacuum out. So I just wanted to make sure I was cleaning up all these like little pine needles and dust and stuff. So yeah, the hose is like super easy to use. I love the hose. The hose is great for vacuuming the steps. That's probably what I used it for the most. And then of course like any like hard to reach spots that I can't get to, I'll use this for that. It's on wheels, so this turns it on. This button right here, this turns it off. So it turns it on and off. And then you can see it has like a super long cord, which is great. You need a long cord for this vacuum. And then it just kind of rolls like back and forth. Super easy to use, to clean. I love this vacuum. It's a little big, so it does take up like some. I just keep it in the closet and it stays pretty kaput in there. So this is the back of it. Just want to show you guys. And then of course, this is used for winding up the cord and you need to put it back. So easy to store. And then this, it comes with this. Honestly, I can't even really tell you what this is for because I've never used it in 2 years. I guess it's used to clean more. I don't know, maybe clean stains out, but I just use like a carpet cleaner, like a wool like carpet cleaner for that, and then I'll just like vacuum over it if I have to clean up any stains. So I'm not really completely sure what that's for. I mean, it does come with a manual, of course, that like shows you everything, but I just haven't really seen a need for it, so I just constantly use the hose. Like I said, I use the hose to clean up the steps, and then of course the vacuum I just use for everything else, for all my carpeting in the house, and I love it so much. Let me see if I could show you guys the bottom here. So I just want to show you guys what the bottom looks like. Unfortunately, and I think that this is a lot of women, our hair sheds, so when we have carpet, you know, you don't even see the hair in the carpet sometimes, and the vacuum will just pick it up. And I would say like once every 2 months or so, my husband has to go in there and clean that out, and then he'll actually like just take the vacuum outside and like rinse out this part and stuff, just rinse it out really well, let it completely dry for 24 hours. I love doing it in the summer because it's warm out, so it like dries really fast. But yeah, you definitely have to, it's depending, I mean, I use the vacuum a lot. Like I would say I vacuum every other day, if not every day, so it definitely has to be cleaned out a good amount. So I would say like every like 6 to 8 weeks, do a really good clean, rinse out the filter, all that. But you don't, it's not like an old school vacuum, so you don't need to buy the vacuum bags or anything like that. So it's pretty low maintenance as far as cleaning it out, and I love it. I'm so happy with it. So I hope you guys will try out your own Dyson vacuum, and I hope you'll love it, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching.